Here's the Olympia Tools extra large service cart. I have it laying flat, but I have it fully extended open. There's two versions of this that I saw, and this one is the larger one. Here are the different configurations: open, half closed, fully closed. Here are the dimensions. Can you see the dimensions? 19 3/4 wide, 30 and a half long, 41 and a quarter high. And then when you lock it up, 19 3/4, 8 inches and 52 inches high. If you're on production and you're going on location shooting, you have a lot of gear. Typically have a lot of gear when you're doing video. And this is very lightweight with nothing on it. I can't lift it with one hand, but with two hands, it's fairly easy to lift up. And I have a minivan, so I could pack this into the minivan. There's the box that it came in. That's another box. I was just doing a few unboxings today. If you're used to standing desks and you're not like 6'5", you're under 5'10", or you're between 5'5" and 5'10", this is the kind a good height for a standing desk. So you can plop on a computer. What I'm going to use this for is when I'm on photography gigs and I'm tethered to a laptop and I'm in a studio, or I go into a home and I try to make it an indoor with strobes and stuff like that, and I want it to shoot tethered, I'm going to put my laptop up here and maybe another monitor. This has space for a 15-inch MacBook Pro and maybe a 24-inch monitor. You can fit both up here. And then these other shelves, I can put accessories like my lenses and flashes and batteries and all that stuff. This is plastic here. There's no grip material, so I can get extra grip material, mats. I can just lay a towel. But it's pretty much the travel cart. There's other carts like this from Rubbermaid, and a few other, there's rocket gear, like there's metal ones, there's all kinds. But for when you're on the go and you want to keep sort of a low budget too, this whole, with shipping and everything, I believe it was under $140, maybe $150 with tax. But this is everything that I thought it was going to be, and they're between the regular size and the extra large. If you're on production, get the extra large. This is big enough. I think it could fit sideways if you have a wagon. Minivans, vans are the best, or trucks. Pickup trucks obviously will fit in. I think it could fit in the back seat of a Prius, possibly, when it's folded up. But this is exactly what I was looking for, and here's how it folds up. There's one handle here that you just move in. Looks like a ping pong table when it's all folded. They're plastic wheels, and depending on what kind of surfaces you go on, sometimes if you're rolling this inside somebody's house, like my house, or my home office, I don't want to roll this over dirt and the streets of downtown and get all urine and feces all over the wheels and then bring it into a house and then wheel it all over the home floors. I wouldn't want to do that. But these wheels look like they're going to break anyways. They're not the best wheels. So that's one flaw, that if something is going to break, I think the wheels. But everything else looks like it could hold up as long as I'm gentle with it.